Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Authorize Net Events, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you master the intricacies of this powerful payment gateway. First, let's start with the basics. Authorize Net events refer to the various notifications and updates sent by Authorize Net to your server, informing you of changes to transactions, such as payments, refunds, and declines. These events are crucial for maintaining accurate records, updating your database, and providing a seamless customer experience. To get started, you need to set up a callback URL on your server, where Authorize Net will send event notifications. This URL should be a secure HTTPS endpoint, capable of receiving and processing post requests. Once you have set up your callback URL, you can start receiving event notifications from Authorize Net. These notifications contain valuable information about the transaction, including the transaction ID, event type, and payment status. You can use this information to update your database, send notifications to customers, and perform other business logic. One of the key concepts in Authorize Net events is the event type. There are several event types, including payment, refund, decline, and void. Each event type corresponds to a specific action taken on a transaction, and you can use this information to determine the next steps in your business workflow. For example, when a payment is made, Authorize Net sends a payment event notification to your server. You can use this notification to update your database, send a confirmation email to the customer, and trigger other business logic. Another important concept is event handling. Event handling refers to the process of receiving, processing, and responding to event notifications from Authorize Net. You can handle events using a variety of programming languages, including PHP, Java, and Python. To handle events effectively, you need to implement a robust event handling mechanism on your server. This mechanism should be capable of receiving and processing event notifications, updating your database, and sending notifications to customers. Best practices for handling Authorize Net events include implementing a secure callback URL, validating event notifications, and updating your database in real time. You should also ensure that your event handling mechanism is scalable, reliable, and secure. In conclusion, Authorize Net events are a powerful tool for managing transactions and providing a seamless customer experience. By mastering the intricacies of Authorize Net events, you can improve your business workflow, reduce errors, and increase customer satisfaction. Remember to implement a robust event handling mechanism, validate event notifications, and update your database in real time to get the most out of Authorize Net events.